a bit of a break for a few months with footy season, and it's been a very wet winter where I am. So today I'm just going for a quick little out to explore. I'm going to say it's a not so hidden gem out in the area. An old mining house and a chimney and that in Abernathy, I think it's called here. I'm not overly know the name very well. But from the actual main part of town, it's a very short ride up in the bush just to get there. It's a very the worst trail than I thought it would be. It's a lot worse than I thought it would be. It didn't look like that bad of a trail in other videos I'd seen. But yeah, it's been well used. Definitely well used. Try and get around this water. I don't really feel like getting wet today. Yes, there is. Pretty annoying that people find the need to graffiti on it, but so this is the old winder house, I believe it's called. You've got, obviously there was some sort of floor that went there, maybe something was here. I'm assuming that maybe the mine was in there, I don't know. I'm not going to go in there, looks very snaky. Being that the roof is open in that section, there's no iron up there. I'd say maybe, yeah, something was right there. That's where they raised and lowered things down. I don't know. If anyone knows the history on this, feel free to comment and let me know, because I'd like to know more about it. It's pretty interesting. Then you've got your chimney, which I would assume was used for smelting of some description. So I came from this direction, from the, what do you call it, from the left there, but I'm going to exit down this way. Because going that other way was pretty nuts. I don't know if that water there is a dam that was, or like a, yeah, a dam that was put there specifically for the mine, or whether it was there before the mine or not. but that's a pretty cool looking spot there. I'm going to go this way. When you're not expecting it, sand gets very hairy very quickly. That's it for today's little adventure. Just a little quick one, have a look at that one site. There are other places that I want to go in the area. There's old tunnels from the old railway around here, but I don't know how to get there. So I've got to figure all that out, and once I do, then I'm going to start exploring there. Other than that, if there's anything else that you guys would like to see, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.